Are you wondering which version of CapCut is better? Today, we are comparing CapCut on PC and mobile. Both tools help you edit videos easily. They offer a range of features for creating stunning content, but they do have some differences. First, let's talk about CapCut on PC. This version gives you a larger screen and more space to work. You can use a mouse and keyboard, which makes editing faster. It also supports more advanced features like multi-track editing. This is great for serious video creators. Now, let's look at CapCut on mobile. The mobile version is super convenient. You can edit videos on the go anytime and anywhere. It has a user-friendly design, making it easy for beginners. However, it may have fewer features compared to the PC version. Still, it's perfect for quick edits and social media posts. So, what are the key differences? The PC version is more powerful and feature rich. It's ideal for detailed projects. On the other hand, the mobile app is portable and easy to use. It's great for quick edits and casual video making. When it comes to features, both versions offer basic editing tools like trimming, adding music, and filters. However, the PC version often includes more advanced options like color correction and special effects. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both versions are free, which is a big plus. However, the PC version may have some premium features that you can pay for later. In the end, if you want to edit videos in detail, choose CapCut on PC. But if you need something quick and easy, go for the mobile app. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.